Hello, I am Sai Jatan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Current. Today we'll try to do the flash charge 66 watt of support test in this Realme X7 Pro or not. So right now I'm using the Realme X7 Pro, and recently I did order the IQ7 device, and with that phone I did get the 66 watt fast charging, as you can see friends. And one of my subscriber, he did ask me to test whether 66 watt can be supported in the Realme X7 Pro or not. So is it possible to use with a high speed in this Realme X7 Pro, which is the charger belongs to the IQ7 device. So let's see whether that kind of compatibility is there with the Realme X1 Pro or not. And I'll be using the application as well, which will monitor the speed, how much it's coming. So to test the both chargers, so first I'll try to charge with a normal 65 watt fast charger which came along with the box, so which is a super dot charger. I'll try to charge and I'll try to see the maximum speed what it can get, and next I'll try to test the 66 watt charger from the Vivo, which is a flash charge. I'll try to test this one, then we will be able to decide what is happening, whether it's supported or not. So right now I did connect the 65 watt charger which came along with the box from the Realme X7 Pro, and this can easily detect the super dot, as you can see. So it immediately detected the super dot charger connected to the device. I'll let me show you the application what it's saying. So right now it starts charging with the full speed, as you can see friends, and it is a charging speed rate I'm getting about 4300 milliamperes and 4200 as well. This is the charging I'm getting right now by using the 65 watt charger with this phone. But now let's test using this 66 watt charger whether we'll be able to get the same speed or not. So right now I did connect the cable friends. Let me try to quickly connect the charger as well right now. Let's see whether this phone will be able to detect the 66 watt fast charger or not. That is what I'm trying to see right now. So right now it's not showing any kind of symbol as a fast charging, so I think the adapter is not supported at this point. As you can see friends, clearly the charging speed is also not increasing much. So even though the charger is of 66 watt fast charger, but still you won't be able to get the high speeds in this phone because it's not kind of compatible with the Realme X7 Pro. So I don't think the IQ's charger is kind of compatible with the Realme X7 Pro at this point, as you can see. So now for the last thing which I'll try to do is that I'll try to change the cable. So this cable I'm trying to use the Realme's cable. I'll try to change to the IQ cable. Then maybe the results might be different, I think, but let's see. The speed started to increase a little bit, but not much. So it's not affecting anything in terms of the charging speed. So it is a 66 watt cable which I got from the IQ. So I'll try to use this cable to charge the Realme X7 Pro and test whether this cable might be supported with the high speed or not. So right now I'm trying to connect the cable friends, which is 66 watt charger. So let me try to quickly connect to the phone, and it's connected, and I think it's not detecting any kind of fast charging at this point. As you can see, there is no fast charging detection, and the speed is also not increased at all. So it's kind of same kind of speed I was getting. So well friends, the conclusion is that the IQ's 66 watt fast charger is not supported and compatible with the Realme's X7 Pro device. So that is what the conclusion is. That is what the thing we understood overall. And this is a maximum speed, as you can see, that's it. And this is a maximum speed which we got 955 milliamperes, 944, that's it, even if you use a different cable. So this is a quick comparison friends between both cables and using the 66 watts. So there is no improvement at all. So thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, make sure to comment below. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.